In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your QuickBooks Online subscription. Whether you found an alternative solution or simply no longer require the service, discontinuing your QuickBooks Online account is a straightforward process that can be completed in just a few minutes. Let's walk through the steps together, ensuring you can cancel your subscription smoothly and without any hiccups. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the QuickBooks Online website. Once there, take a look at the top right corner of the home page. You'll notice an option to sign in. Click on that and you'll be directed to the sign in page. Now, this is where you'll need to enter your email address and password associated with your QuickBooks account. Make sure you type these credentials carefully to avoid any login errors. After you've typed in your information, click sign in. You'll be brought to the main dashboard of your QuickBooks Online account. It's a familiar place, bustling with features, but today we're focusing on just one task: ending your subscription. Now that you're logged in, your next step is to go to the settings menu. This is often represented by a gear icon, usually found around the top right section of your screen. Once you find it, give it a click. A drop-down menu will appear, providing you with several options to manage your account. From this list, look for subscriptions and billing. Clicking on this will take you directly to the page where all your subscription details are displayed. On the subscriptions and billing page, you'll find all relevant information connected to your account, such as billing specifics, payment methods, and trial statuses, if applicable. Here is where you'll find the option to continue with the cancellation process. Scan through the page until you spot a link that says cancel your trial or cancel plan. The specific wording might slightly vary depending on whether you're cancelling during a trial period or at a more advanced subscription stage, but rest assured it leads you to the same outcome. Clicking on this option will trigger a series of prompts. QuickBooks will ask you to either confirm the cancellation or provide a reason for discontinuing the service. This step is standard, as feedback helps improve their offerings. Don't worry, sharing your reason is optional, and you can proceed without providing one if you choose. Once you've navigated through these prompts, you'll reach the big moment, a button labelled Yes Cancel. Clicking this will finalise the cancellation process. By taking this final action, you're confirming your decision to unsubscribe and allowing QuickBooks to process your request to terminate your account. Do note that depending on your specific billing cycle, you may still have access to QuickBooks Online until the end of your paid period. It's wise to ensure that you've backed up or exported any necessary data or reports before finalizing the cancellation, just to keep everything secure and available for future reference. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully navigated through the cancellation process for your QuickBooks Online subscription. Remember, if you ever need to return to QuickBooks Online, setting up an account is quick and easy, and their customer support team is always available should you need further assistance or have any lingering questions. I hope this guide has been clear and helpful. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more tips and tutorials in our future videos.